Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are looking for a good quality drone on an optimal budget, and if its budget is under $100, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the drones considering the quality, durability, demand, customer rating, and order etc. I hope you like my drone reviews and you get the best quality drone you want. You may request that the video be watched in full, as the video is larger. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In at number 5, the best drone is CEVENNESFE GPS 4K drone. Considering its cheap price, quality, durability, customer rating, and customer demand, I have put this drone at number 5 on my list. This drone is a smart quadcopter that serves beginners as well as experienced users alike. However, its most notable feature is the camera. This is the perfect solution for anyone that wants a high-quality aerial camera to capture their outdoor activities. First, it is affordable. Considering all the features that it comes with, we can say the price is a real steal. The technical specification of this drone is about 4 hours charging time, 500 meters remote distance, about 18 minutes flight time, 7.4 volts, 1100 mAh lithium battery and many more. Recently this drone price $55.44. This drone have some standing packaging are. It has real-time picture transmission system. 4K pixels super resolution photos, can retain more details of highlights and shadows, easily restore the subtle colors changes at dawn and dusk, and reserve more creative space for the leader stage, take the aerial image to a new height. The GPS positioning gives you the precise positioning details of the drone, keeping track of the position of the drone, and providing automatic return. Follow to the GPS in your smartphone, ensuring your drone automatically follows and captures you, wherever you go. This drone support like headless mode, altitude hold and one-key takeoff and landing for easier operation, no need to worry about orientation, and with a simple press on the button your drone will rise to a height or land. This drone equipped with a 7.4 volts, 1100 mAh lithium battery, up to 18 minutes flying time, and 500 meters remote distance, giving you a more pleasant flight experience. A perfect foldable design, lightweight and flexible blades make the drone small and portable, convenient to carry, whenever in traveling or other outdoor activities. In number 4, the best drone is Holy Stone HS-161 drone. HS-161 is one of the most affordable drone for traveling purposes. It is the newest edition award-winning drone. Specifications: this drone, about 110 minutes charging time, about 10 minutes flight time, 100 meters remote distance, 1080 pixel camera, 120 degrees adjustable angle camera, 30 meter GPS follow, 1 to 5 meter image follow, 3.7V, 250 mAh powerful battery. Recently this drone price is $74.57. Overall, I have been highly impressed with the build, flight time and comfort controlling, long-time battery life, especially considering its budget price. This drone have some main features such as: this drone has 1080p HD camera, 120 degrees panoramic view, captures high-quality photos and stable videos, and share to social network with one press. Handheld camera or video mode, which is positioning by optical sight, which makes height measurement and positioning, realized without GPS. This function makes aerial images more stable by using bottom camera to lock images and position. You can turn on the flashlight mode manually. It will be a good helper if you need an emergent light. Perfect for using on travel and outdoor activities. Positioning by optical sight, which makes height measurement and positioning realized without GPS. When your phone is out of power, you can use the drone as a backup power bank to charge your phone, which can reach up to 40% in emergency situations. It is assisted first-person view function, allows you to enjoy the real-time view from up to 50 meters away. Upgraded real-time transmission enables faster and more fluent view transmission. In number 3, the best drone is VISUO XS812 GPS foldable RC drone. Considering its reasonably priced rate, excellent durability, client score, and customer name for, I have positioned this drone at number 3 on my list. XS812 drone features with GPS positioning and altitude hold function, which is perfect for aerial photography. The 5G Wi-Fi 1080 pixel camera enables you to have a further real-time images transmission image for fantastic video or picture taking, which is really a great flight combination. Moreover, it is fantastic with functions of automatic return, headless mode, and one-button takeoff and landing. Just come and get it. Recently this drone price is $79.56. This drone have some outstanding packaging are. It has multiple mode combination, foldable, sideward flight, turn left and right, up and down, forward and backward, altitude hold, one key takeoff and landing, Wi-Fi FPV, headless mode, auto return, waypoint fly, surround flight, and follow me mode etc. The 5G Wi-Fi 1080 pixel camera enables you to have a further real-time images transmission image for fantastic video and picture taking, with attractive headless mode, completely solving pilot loss of orientation problems. Altitude hold mode makes it easier to control the drone for beginner and more stable for aerial photography. GPS positioning mode provides a more accurate flight. One key taking off and landing makes the operation more convenient, and it is very suitable for novice operation. The plane will return automatically when battery voltage is low or out of control range. Surround action will enable the aircraft flying in a circle, providing cooler shooting perspective. The aircraft will fix the controlling cell phone and follow the operator whichever direction he moves. Waypoint route mode, just draw a route on the screen, the copter will autopilot as the given path. In number 2, the best drone is Eachine E511S Dynamic Drone. Eachine have released some really good beginner-friendly drones, and the E511S is one their most impressive. The drone looks good and comes with a lot of features that will provide you with a fun flying experience. It has an impressive flight time, especially for a drone, at its price range, and the camera is of exceptional quality. There are 3 autonomous flight modes and you can use it with a VR headset. It's a really good drone, and I highly recommend it, especially if you are a beginner. Already this drone price is $83.69. Some external feature of this drone are: seize the moment with 1080 pixel HD camera. Optional 5G transmission ensures crystal live video transmission. With the GPS positioning system, you no longer have to worry about losing the drone, whether the drone lost signal or in low power, it will auto fly back, never lost the drone. You also can press the one key return button, the drone will fly back to the start point. The drone will automatically follows and captures you, wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times, easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. App control available. Simple draw route on the app screen and the E511S will move in that direction or in a circle and send back real-time landscape to you. You can select a central point, and design the attitude and radius, the will fly around the point automatically, stable as well as clear. It can match with great master. The powerful 7.4 volts, 1200 mAh high-capacity battery with energy-optimized system give you a vastly improved flight experience. And up to 16 minutes footage satisfies all your desires about the sky. The bright LED lights made night flying as easy as flying in the day that make your drone looks cool attractive. In number 1, the best drone is Palooza's L100 GPS RC drone. Considering its reasonably priced charge, exceptional durability, purchaser rating, and consumer call for, I have placed this drone at number 1 on my listing. This drone has all the new technology that makes it easy to operation. It is a masterful balance of portability, price, image quality, and convenience. Its technical specifications are astonishing: about 150 minutes charging time, about 15 minutes flight time, about 400 meters remote distance, 7.4 volts, 1200 mAh lithium battery etc. It provides altitude hold, gravity sensor mode, speed modes, 1080p HD camera, which makes operation much easier and safer for beginners. Recently, this drone price is $95.05. Overall, I have been highly impressed with the build, flight time, comfort controlling and long-time battery life, especially considering its budget price. The main feature of this drone are: due to the 5 GHz analog signal and 2.4 GHz operating frequency, the live video can be transmitted quite fluently and quickly. You can watch the video on the screen and record or take photos with stable signal and far transmission distance. Equipped with the advanced camera, you can record and take beautiful, high-definition and memorable videos and pictures at a special angle. Modular camera is easy to install and move. Provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. Built-in return-to-home function for safer fly, the drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak. You will never worrying about losing your drone. Making flying easier and no worry about drone direction when flying. The drone can entertain you, with its powerful 3D rolls by pressing only one button. Bring more happiness to you. The high-capacity 1200 mAh battery yields up to 15 minutes flight time. It also has low power alert. You can immerse yourself in a substantial flight. Don't forget to subscribe and I request to share this video.